Hi Caitlin, hi Aaron. This is a practice round for the online YouTube cooking lesson thing that I was going to show you. I'm making mint chocolate chip ice cream without any dairy. It's super easy to make at home. I've got 2 frozen bananas. This one's partly peeled and already broken. I'm just dropping them into a blender. I have some mint extract, some vanilla flavoring extract, some coconut milk, again keeping this dairy free, and this can go well with some chopped up mint. I've already run through the chopped up mint we had in the previous batch. So yeah, let's get started. So, Toph pulling apart the bananas. It's my cousin Mac.
Hi. Rice cooker's not clicking.
Oh, I didn't know I had to click.
Yeah. Something went wrong.
Does that thing need to slide over?
I think so.
Okay. So, peeling frozen banana. They're a lot hard to peel when they just came out of the freezer again. Probably took 10 minutes to make the last 2 batches, so this banana had a little bit of time to thaw. It's gotten a little soft. Okay, let me wash my hands.
Oh, the latch up here broke. It's gone loose. So yeah, the button is supposed to click. So
So,
do that one.
since we're missing the 1/4 cup of chapped mint, instead of just adding a 1/4 teaspoon of pure peppermint extract, I'm gonna add like probably a 1/2 teaspoon. I always find it handy to pour the pretty much anything you're adding to a mixture over the bowl or over the mixing container. That way, if any spills, you're not wasting any. It goes right into the mix, and you can just err on the light side because you already dropped a little bit in. So now I'm adding 2/3 cups of coconut milk. This is just something my cousin and I found out experimentally. Also, side note, if you pour this way, the pour top is right here, from a coconut milk container, or any like box thing, pours a lot more nicely, versus if you pour this way, it goes like glub, 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 and comes out and splashes. It's a lot harder to work with. Okay. Not all the time in cooking is there measurements for everything. So I'm just going to add a splash of vanilla. This is kind of just give it that vanilla ice cream flavor-ish. The ice cream flavor. So I just gave it the smallest splash I could. Yeah, I'll kind of sweeten things up, give it an aroma. It's nice. And then this is gonna sound weird because it's ice cream, and you're like, I don't put salt in my ice cream. But just a pinch of salt. Salt's a natural flavor enhancer. Even if you're not meant to taste it, that's why you get like some recipes where it's like a huge thing, but just a pinch of salt. So I just pinched a tiny little pinch. Rub my fingers together, get all the salt off my fingers. All right, now it's time to blend. Gotta get all the banana on the bottom to blend. Okay, so I'm gonna add this to the rest of the ice cream that I made earlier. banana seems to fit well in this container. There we go. And then mint chocolate chip ice cream would not be mint chocolate chip ice cream without the chocolate. This is 85% cocoa, so it's the nice bitter chocolate. The banana and the vanilla, the coconut flavoring, that's providing a lot of the sweetness. So. Yeah. Mix it all in. All right. And enjoy.